If you're an Apple user, you've probably heard of AirDrop, but is it really the best way to share files between your devices? Let's dive into the ins and outs of AirDrop and see if it lives up to the hype. AirDrop is Apple's file sharing feature designed to make sending photos, videos, and other files between Apple devices a breeze. The setup is pretty straightforward. You just need to enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and you're good to go. Once activated, you can share files with nearby devices in a matter of seconds. It's especially handy for those who are deeply integrated into the Apple ecosystem, as it works seamlessly across iPhones, iPads, and Macs. One immediate standout is the speed files transfer quickly without needing to rely on email or third-party apps. However, the user experience can be a bit hit or miss, especially if you're in a crowded area where multiple devices are vying for attention. Also, the lack of a direct way to share with non-Apple devices can be frustrating, leaving users sometimes feeling locked into the Apple universe. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, AirDrop is incredibly fast and user-friendly for Apple users, making it a great way to share files on the fly. It also keeps your files secure as transfers are encrypted. On the downside, if you're not in a well-populated area, you might find it difficult to connect with others. Plus, the limitation to Apple devices means that if you frequently work with people using Android or Windows, you'll need to find alternative methods. And while it's convenient, some users might find the setup process a bit cumbersome if they're not tech savvy. Overall, AirDrop is a solid feature for Apple users who need fast and secure file sharing. If you're deep into the Apple ecosystem, it's definitely worth using. However, if you often interact with non-Apple devices, you might want to explore other options. It's convenient, but not without its limitations.